Hello and welcome again. Fashion illustrators are artistic individuals who have talents in traditional media, such as pencil drawing and graphic design. If you like art and fashion, this can be an excellent job for you. There are many programs in fashion schools that offer the skills needed for this profession. Working with art directors and designers, fashion artists execute layouts and designs for product and apparel merchandising. Although fashion illustrators don't have much to say about the concept or design of these projects, their knowledge of art and form allows them to advise in the design process, bringing the designer's ideas to life. The work of a fashion illustrator can appear in print publications and websites across the country, giving the artist a great exposure. Even if you are an expert in traditional art forms, you will probably need more technical training to become a fashion illustrator. This is due to the fact that many projects require the use of InDesign and Photoshop. Many working fashion artists have an associate's or bachelor's degree in fine arts, fashion art, visual arts, fashion design, or graphic design. Fashion artists tend to work as freelancers, as there are not many full-time illustration jobs, depending on the area in which you live. Those with the proper education can receive $29,800 to $63,000 annually as a fashion artist. With passion, skills, and determination, you can make this career work for you. Please visit the link below for the full article, like and subscribe, and we see us next time. Goodbye.